Hey guys, welcome back. Click car upgrade. Now click on exterior. First choose rims you like. Rims that I have on my car are also nice. First go to last and try every rim and find best rims. These are the rims I like on my car. And do color you want. Now on suspension. Click on reset. This is how to modify. Now how I like to do on my car. How to swap engine. Click on V10. Click triple turbo. Follow the settings that are on my car. Hopefully you liked my video. Subscribe for more videos.